On this video today, I'm going to show you a cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is simple, and the best part is that you can use it to make money wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. I'll show you the product that you have to promote. I'll also show you the traffic source that you can use to promote the product so that you can be earning money with little investment. So if you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join Max Bounty, you can join CPA Lead, you can join CPA Build, or any CPA network that you know. In this case, we are using CPA Grip. CPA Grip is available worldwide, and the best part is that you can create your accounts within 5 minutes. You don't need to wait for approval. Once you enter your details, you can create a free account on CPA Grip. So now once you have created your accounts on CPA Grip and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. CPA offers are geo-specific. They are not allowed to be promoted to anywhere in the world. So what you have to do is that you have to select a country where you can get a traffic source. For example, you can see all these offers. You have to promote them to people who live in the United Kingdom. If you don't have a traffic source in the United Kingdom or any country, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can select the country where you have a traffic source. As a school, you can see many countries that you can click on to find offers that you can promote so that you can be earning money on CPA Grip. If you are using paid traffic source, what I suggest is that you should select the tier 1 countries. They are the countries where you can get offers with a higher payout. So make sure you select a tier 1 country. If you are using a paid traffic source, in this case, I'm going to be promoting an offer in Canada because I'm going to be using a paid traffic source. To get the country easily, just type the name of the country right here. Once you type it, you can see it has come Canada. Click on it so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see a lot of different offers that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see the first offer, the payout is $11.46. The second one is $2.57. The third one is $12.83, and you can see many others. Any of the offers that you want, you can click on it and then promote it so that you can be making money from home. If you want the first one, you can click on it so that you can promote it and then get people to enter their credit card details so that you can be paid $11.46. The second offer, you are required to get people to install a mobile app so that you can be paid $2.57. The third one, you are required to get people to submit their PIN codes so that you can stand the chance of winning back to school gift card, and you are going to be paid $12.83. So any of them that you want, you can click on it and then promote it. In this case, I'm going to be promoting the third offer. So click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is the warning. This offer is only allowed in Canada. And you can see this is your payout. You can see the requirement, verify with your PayPal. So when people verify with their PayPal, they are going to stand the chance of winning $500 back to school gift card, and you are going to be paid $12.83. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in Canada to click on this link, enter the required details so that you can be paid. If you want, you can use a free traffic source to get the people to click on it and then enter the required details. If you want, you can also use the paid traffic source to get people who live in Canada to click on this link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid. The paid traffic source is going to give you quick results, but you must use a cheap paid traffic source. Do not use the expensive ones, because if they are charging you high per every click, you are not going to be earning profit. You can see this is the payout. This is the actual amount that you are going to get per every action that your potential visitor takes. So you have to find the cheapest traffic source so that you can advertise your link. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the cheapest traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then take the action for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is plugrush.com. So just search for it. Once you search for it, you can see this is their home page. You can sell traffic on this website. You can also buy traffic. It depends on whatever that you want. In this case, we are going to advertise our CPA affiliate link so that we can get people who live in Canada to click on it and then enter the required details for us to get paid. So So now what you have to do is that you have to create your account so that you can begin to advertise on the website. To create an account, you have to select advertiser. Once you select it, you can click on it so that you can create your free account, or you can just click right here, register. Once you click on it, you are going to get a form that you can fill so that you can get access to a free account. Once you click on it, you can see enter your email, password, select advertiser. Once that is done, you are going to enter your first name, last name. You have to also select your country. Once that is done, enter your Skype address. Once you enter that, the next step is that you are going to accept the terms of services, privacy policy and refund policy. Once that is done, click on I'm not a robot. Once you click on that, you can sign up for a free account. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in so that I'll show you step by step on how to use this platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. You can see they have two options. You can see the first one, boost your website's revenue, and the second one is buy high quality traffic. The first one, if you click on it, what it means is that you have a website, maybe a blog, that you want this website to serve ads on it, so that anytime your readers click on the ads, this website will pay you. The second one is you want to buy traffic from this website. You have a product that you want to sell, so you want to buy the traffic on this website. In this case, we are going to select the second option because you want to buy traffic. You want to get people who live in Canada to click on our link and then enter their details for us to make money. So click on the second option, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you are going to see a page like this. The first step is that you are going to give a name to your campaign. So just type back to school, back to school. Once you type that, you can see audience. They have target adult traffic, target mainstream traffic. In this case, we are going to select mainstream because our content is not about adult traffic. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see desktop, mobile. So you have to go back on CPA grip so that you can check the devices that the offer is allowed on. Some offers are allowed on desktop, others are allowed on mobile. So you have to go back on CPA grip so that you can select the appropriate delivery method. Once you come back on CPA grip, you can see desktop, meaning the offer is allowed on desktop. This same offer is allowed on mobile, so if you want, you can go back and select that option, but in this case I'm using the desktop. Now once you know the offer is allowed on desktop, select desktop. Once you select desktop, the next step is that you are going to click on it and then select the ad format. You can see in-page, push ads, you can see pops, push ads. Any of them that you want, you can select. In this case I'm going to select push ads. Once you select it, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see content, create new push ads. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the preview of your ad. So you have to upload an image of the product that you are promoting. You can go back on CPA grip and then get images of the product. Once you come back on CPA grip, what you have to do is that you have to put your pointer on the offer image and then right click. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once you click on save images, click on save so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, what you have to do is that you have to come on Canva so that you can design a suitable image. Once you are on canva.com, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, upload. Once you click on upload, you're going to click on choose file, select your image, click on open. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. What you have to do is that you have to enter the required size. So click here, use in a new design. Once you click on it, select custom size. Once you select the custom size, you are going to enter the required size. You can see 512 by 256. When you come back on the ad, you can see that is the size of the image that they want. So you have to create the same size of image. Once you have entered the size, what you have to do is that you have to click on create new design. Once you click on it, you can see this is your image. It has been created. You can see your design has been created. You can see it right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to download it. To download it, click on share. Once you click on share, you're going to click on download. Once that is done, you're going to leave it as PNG file. Once that is done, click on download so that it can be downloaded onto your PC. You can see it is downloading. Just wait for it to download. You can see it is fully downloaded. Once you have downloaded it, you are going to come back, click right here so that you can upload the image. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Once you click on open, the image has been uploaded. You can see it right here. It has been uploaded. If you want, you can add a custom image. Once that is done, you can see enter title for your ad. So you have to enter a title for your ad. To get all those details, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA grip, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, you are going to click right here so that you can enter the description. Once you have copied the description, you are going to paste it right here. Once you paste your description, the next step is that you are going to enter your affiliate link right here. So you can go back on CPA Grip, copy and paste your affiliate link right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Your affiliate link has been pasted. Once that is done, if you want, you can upload an icon image. So you can upload the same image that we uploaded as image right here. So click on it so that you can upload an icon image. Once you click on it, you are going to select upload new icon. Once that is done, you are going to select the image that you downloaded on CPA Grip and then click on open so that it can be uploaded. As you can see, that has been done. It has been uploaded. Once you have entered all the details, you are going to click right here, create all. Once you click on create all, you can see there's a problem. The title may not be greater than 30 characters, so you have to delete some of them. Once you have entered all the details, you are going to click right here, create all. Once you click on it, you can see it has been successfully created. Once that is done, we are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see targeting. You have to select the country where the offer is allowed, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see all of them has been selected. Click on none. Once you have deselected all of them, the next step is that you are going to search for your preferred country, so search for Canada. Once you search for it, you can see it, select it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select Canada, the next step is that you are going to select the language, so click on languages. Once you click on languages, click on quick select. Once you click on that, select none. Once you select none, you are now going to search for the language that you are targeting. So in this case, you are going to search for English because people who live in Canada speak English. So search for English, search for English. Once you search for it, select it. Once that is done, you are going to search for French because some people in Canada speak French. You can see it right here, select it. Once that is done, you are going to click on orientations. Once you click on orientations, it means you have to select a category, the specific category that you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting all categories, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to click on operating system, OS. Once that is done, you can see you have to select the operating systems that the offer is allowed. So just leave it like this because it is allowed on desktop. There's no restriction as to which operating system that is not allowed, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see connection type. You can click on it and then select the connection type. You can also see browsers. There's no restriction, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, update, so that you can see the cost per click and then the minimum budget. You can see everything. What you have to do is that you have to manually enter it. So you can see this is your daily budget. If you can afford $10 per day, you can decrease it to the amount that you can afford. You can see $5 a day. The CPC, you are going to enter the amount that you are willing to pay. Just enter any amount that you are willing to pay. Any amount at all, you can enter it right here. But you must enter a reasonable amount so that you can be getting traffic. If your cost per click is very low, you are not going to be getting traffic, so make sure you enter a reasonable amount. In this case, I'm going to enter 0.006. The maximum is $1, so you can enter any price below $1. Just enter any price that you want. Once you have entered your details, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. All the other details are not necessary, so just leave it like this. Once you have entered all the details, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you are going to see a page like this. You can see your campaign has been successfully created. It is now waiting for approval, so you have to wait for some time so that it can be approved. But before your ad is approved, what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts so that they can spend the money to get traffic for you. To deposit money into your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, account. Once you click on it, you are going to select funds. Once you click on funds, what you have to do is that you have to click on load. Once you click on load, you are going to select your payment method so that you can deposit money into your accounts. Once you select the payment method, the next step is that you are going to select the amount that you want to deposit into your accounts. The minimum deposit is $25, so you have to enter $25 or more. Once you enter the amount that you want to deposit, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then click right here so that you can accept the terms of service, privacy policy and refund policy. So you have to check the box. Once you check the box, the next step is that you are going to click right here, load funds. Once you click on it, the money is going to be deposited into your accounts so that they can spend it on your ad, and you are going to be getting people who live in Canada to click on your link and then take the action for you to make money. Apart from making money with CPA marketing, there is another way that you can use to make money from home. You can create and sell digital products online to make money from home. You can create your own product, price it at any amount that you want, and then sell it. If you want to learn how to create a digital product, just click on this link at the description of this video so that you can get access to my ebook that will show you step by step on how to create and sell digital products. So just click on the link. Once you click on the link, you are going to see the book like this. I've decided to decrease the price for my viewers, so make sure you take action now before I increase it. Again, you can see this is the original price, but I have decreased it to $2.49. This price will not last. Within some time, I'm going to increase it to the original price. So make sure you take action now so that you can be part of those who have the privilege to download it at a cheaper cost. So just click on download now. Once you click on download now, you are going to enter your payment method so that you can get access to the book. That is how best I can help you to make money from home. So make sure you go and take action now so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.